The return on investment is almost immediate and continuous, as long as you continue to follow up with the leads. And the second thing I would say is that if you think you can't afford it, then you've got the small mindset of looking for money rather than looking for clients. And Legal Match seems to be very well researched by the people that are looking for legal help, and the questions that are asked and they're vetted through pretty well. I have yet to have somebody through Legal Match asking me for free legal services. Well, I've signed several clients from Legal Match, and outside of that, the clients that I have contacted, I've had 2 of those clients send me clients after the fact. So it's just been, just as far as lead generation, it's been fabulous. But it's also given me the confidence to reach out and follow up on leads that I may receive elsewhere as well, because I know it gives me the practice and the comfort level that I was lacking when I first came out on my own. Well, it's been interesting. Obviously, criminal law always has its ebbs and flows. It always has its up months and down months. And when coronavirus first hit, obviously we all took a hit trying to figure out what was going on. The nice thing about Legal Match is you didn't have to have people coming into your office to have a consultation, and you can continue doing your work through the interface, through emails, through phone calls, and the leads still came. Whereas if you're waiting on word of mouth and things like that, they're not able to get to you as easily in this COVID time. So it just continued the leads. And again, I've had up and down months, but Legal Match has pretty consistently given me 2 to 3 solid leads every couple of weeks. The system is really easy. You get a notification of when you get a lead. You go look at the lead, you read through what they wrote. If you don't want to, if it's not something that you're interested in, or if it's, I've had a few that were victims of crime that were posting on there, and you just archive those. But otherwise, it gives you phone numbers, it gives you email addresses. You can have a preset reply that you just go click reply, and you can adjust it or not adjust it depending on the situation. It's just a very user-friendly system that prompts you, without sending reminders, but it prompts you to be proactive in following up on the leads. Ease of use and ease of follow-up are probably the 2 best things about it. Follow up. The templates, I set up a template for domestic battery, a template for DUI, and a template for general criminal. I found that I use my general criminal one the most because it covers a broader range and it includes the DUI and the domestic violence. But what I like about it is that you have a template to start from, and you can modify it based on the information that you're provided previously. And then you can also schedule right from the interface. You can schedule meetings. You can call or email directly from the interface. It's just very user friendly. It makes it so that if you're not following up, it's all on you. There's no reason not to follow up. Well, I'm with a few other lead generating systems as well. And the thing I like about Legal Match is you're not charged per lead. You're charged per month. And as you get the leads, it's up to you how diligent you're going to be on those. And if you do archive one, you're not trying to chase the money back for giving that lead back. You're just trying to follow up with the leads that you get. It just seems a much better system of where you're consistently following up with your client. You're spending more time trying to follow up with your clients than you are trying to follow up with the company. You spend more time with the client than the company, and that's what I like about it. Cash up front is probably closer to 7 or 8, and then the rest is in receivables per month. I've really enjoyed Legal Match, you guys have reached out to me several times to make sure things are going well. And really, Legal Match works for you as well as you work the system. It's up to you whether you're going to work it or not. And I'll be honest, there are months when I just don't have the energy to work it. Mm-hmm. So there are months when leads just kind of come and go. But when I work the Legal Match system, it brings money into my business.